that workout was one. He gave it to me. I always said that Larry Bird is the toughest player I've ever had to go against. I don't look at my own teammates or Laker players as opponents, but before he became a Laker, he was tough, man. He was hard to guard. He could do and get anywhere he wanted on the court, and that's when you know that you're playing against a very talented, offensive-minded scorer. But that's the one story that I have. I mean, there's been many more that I might speak to myself, but it's just our activities as far as Lakers events and things like that. It was always very, very nice and cordial to talk to. And, you know, the Lakers players, every player that has put that Lakers uniform on, your family, it's like your family to the end. And your wife and kids and anybody that you're associated with are part of that Lakers family. And he is truly going to be missed.
20 seasons with the Los Angeles Lakers, didn't play for any other NBA team. Michael Cooper, thank you so much for sharing some thoughts.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Our CNN sports anchor, Andy Schultz, went one-on-one with Kobe Bryant less than 2 weeks ago. Andy, you sat down with Kobe at a launch event for Major League Soccer in Los Angeles. Tell us what he was like.
I know
conversation.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you know, anytime you get a chance to talk to Kobe Bryant, it's a big deal and it's special. You know, we know he's one of the greatest NBA players of all time, 5-time NBA champion. But he was also excelling, you know, in his post-NBA career in the business world. He was one of the early investors into the body armor sports drink. You see there, I was showing Kobe a picture. I was a ball boy back in the day for the Houston Rockets, and I showed him a picture of me and him. And he laughed. He said, "Hey, look, we were both youngsters back then." And one thing about Kobe Bryant, Wolf, he was always one of the most nice, genuine people. You know, I got to interact with him, you know, in 2 segments of my life. Once when I was a ball boy, and once now as a member of the media. And throughout it all, he's always been so nice, so genuine. You know, I remember when I was a ball boy, Wolf, he always took time to take pictures with everybody, sign everyone's autograph. And that was when he was the best player in the NBA. You know, that can't be said about a lot of people. Kobe's just such a genuine guy. We talked about a lot of things during that interview. We talked about soccer, which we know he's a big fan of, his daughter Gigi, and the women's basketball game. So here's a part of my interview that took place, I should say, just 11 days ago. You were one of the early investors into body armor. It's grown so much over the years. How cool is it now to be a partner with Major League Soccer?
You know, it's crazy, man, because like when we first started the company, it was such a small company. We had this vision of doing these big things and servicing the athletes and educating them on nutrition and hydration. And to find ourselves here now in partnership with MLS. And MLS is, I mean, they've taken off too. I mean, this is coming up on 25 years now. And the game has done nothing but grow. And so to have this relationship together is, we look forward to doing some big things.
I know you're a big Barcelona fan. How do you think they're going to fare? And where do you think Messi ranks in terms of best athletes in the world right now?
Well, he's one of the best athletes of all time. His tenacity, the intelligence with which he plays, as well as the skill. Just puts him head and shoulders above the rest. Now, Cristiano.
He's talking about Messi.
But I think Barcelona right now going through their transition period, changing manager.
I'm a Man City fan, but I like Messi.
The NBA fans love to debate, you know, which team
He used to be my favorite.
was better. Shaq recently weighed in saying that he absolutely thinks you and him would have beaten this current Lakers team with LeBron and Anthony Davis. What's your take on that hypothetical matchup?
I don't weigh in on hypotheticals. Because as a competitor, there's nothing you can do about them. You can't debate yourself to winning something, right? That was the beauty about sports, is you compete, you either win or you lose. In the debate culture, there's never a clear winner, but it's fun to hear.
You recently said your daughter Gigi got you back into watching a lot of NBA. You've taken her to a bunch of games this year, sitting courtside with her. As you watch games with her and coach her through her basketball journey, I wanted to get your take on if you think a woman could ever play in the NBA one day.
I think there are a couple of players that can play in the NBA right now. There's a lot of players that have a lot of skill that can do it. And Taurasi, Maya Moore, there's a lot of great players out there, so they could most certainly keep up with it.
I know you're a big soccer fan growing up in Italy when you were a kid. I wanted to get your thoughts on what seems to be an increase in racism in European football, and if there's anything that can be done to combat it.
There's always education. You understand that racism is a thing that's been a part of our culture for a while. And, even though now we've come a long way, there's still so much to be done. And I think education is always the most important thing. Speaking up and taking a significant stand.
¿No había perros ahí en la vuelta?
I've always obviously witnessed firsthand
Ninguna en la casa.
Soccer match.
Me pareció ahí un perro. ¿Ah? ¿No te olió? Qué raro que no te han olido. Si donde quiera que vayas hay perros y te van a oler. Aunque no olas al perro. Sí, el perro te huele a ti. Porque siempre van a oler a...
¿Cómo yo voy a oler el perro?
In Los Angeles at the Major League Soccer media.
Joshua, did you see